Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an amazing AI video creation platform called Flova AI. Now this is not just another simple AI video generator. Flova AI is a complete all-in-one creative workflow platform where you can turn your ideas, workflow, and even your creative style into reusable AI skills. Whether you want to create storytelling videos, cinematic short films, anime scenes, skit-based content, commercial ads, product videos, or action movie-style clips, you can do everything inside one platform. And honestly, the most exciting part is that Flova now supports some of the latest and most trending AI models, including Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Veo 3.1, ChatGPT Image 2.0, and many more powerful generation models. So, instead of switching between multiple AI tools, you can handle your complete workflow directly inside Flova AI. Now, let me show you how it works. Step 1. Enter your prompt. The process is actually very simple. First, you just need to enter your prompt describing the type of video you want to create. After that, select your preferred AI model. For this example, I am going to select Seedance 2.0 because right now, it is one of the most trending and powerful cinematic video models available on the platform. Step 3. Use AI skills for better workflow. Skills basically allow you to save your workflow, styles, prompts, visual preferences, and creative settings so you do not have to repeat the same process again and again. Multiple ready-made skills are already available, and you can even build your own custom workflow that automatically helps with scene planning, visual consistency, and camera movement settings to make the final output look more professional. AI Workspace and creative control. Another thing I really like is that Flova also gives you a ChatGPT-style AI workspace where you can brainstorm ideas, refine prompts, organize materials, and control your entire workflow in a much smoother way. You can even personalize your work panels and arrange tools according to your own creative process, which makes the platform feel much more flexible compared to normal AI generators.
Oralis, the shape of sound.
Step 5. Generate your project. After setting everything up, simply click on the Generate button. Now, the AI will begin processing. First, it asks how long you want your film to be. You can choose 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even longer videos. Then, you can select the aspect ratio depending on the platform you are creating content for, like YouTube landscape mode, TikTok vertical videos, Instagram reels, and more. After that, Flova starts building the project step by step. It can automatically generate a storyboard, create scripts, build scenes, and even ask additional questions to improve the final result. So here you can see our cinematic action-based AI video is finally ready, and the result actually looks very impressive. The camera movement, transitions, visual quality, and storytelling feel extremely professional. What you can create with Flova AI. With Flova AI, you can create anime videos, cinematic short films, storytelling content, action scenes, AI commercials, social media content, and much more without needing advanced editing skills. Try Flova AI yourself. If you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description below and explore Flova AI's latest creative workflow system and AI skills features for your own projects. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what type of AI videos you want me to test next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.